Quiet!
There's a tornado in North Park. I mean, maybe. Hold on. They say this every year. They always say there's a warning, and then nothing happens. So I guess I'll be here for a little while. Just doing crossword puzzles. Oh.
I know what chest apparel is.
Damn it! I was trying to work tonight too. Okay.
Here, I need a beat.
Well, I guess we're gonna take shelter now. Okay, gotta go. Okay, I just vote that we go to a store that doesn't suck if we're gonna be here for a while.
Oh, okay. Go back in there.
Too bad there's not a like bed store where we could take a nap. Dot 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 dot. Oh. How about
Small store, 'cause it's less
I wonder if there's like a beer store around here. Man, they need to turn up their like speakers a little bit. They keep announcing things that we can't hear.